Guys, we're up in a pond here again this morning. The water's pretty high. So saying they use this pond to power a small community, and they release the water levels at certain times, and the water gets low. And then sometimes when they don't, the water gets pretty high. That's snagged up already. Shit. They drop the water sometimes and water gets pretty low, but it seems pretty high here today. You can tell by the banks. Usually you can walk along the shore there on the rocks. So I had some great success there a couple weeks ago in these lily pads, but I'm not sure. We will see this morning if there's anything. The wind is kind of coming this way, so it's really deep here in a certain section. I'll make my way over that way. Found it very hard with this light rod casting into the wind, and the wind is going to be coming this way the whole morning. You see it starts to get deeper here. I might go over and make my way on the other side after, and it's only casting right there. I can't get into the wind. Says turn around, and I had one on. I don't think he's very big. He took it pretty subtle. Says turn around, and I had one on. I don't think he's very big. He took it pretty subtle. He was sneaky. Of course, I got a twist in my line. I'm gonna have to see if I can fix this with a fish on, boys. Line keeps twisting. Oh, it's twisted around. I'm just gonna try to get this guy in. I think he got away. Start record. I knew I heard one there. He just breached there about a couple minutes ago, but I don't think he's overly big. Calm down. And he released himself. Well, that's good. I don't know if he's hurt or not. He's not moving. He would have flown away. I startled him. He's definitely hurt. There's no way he would stay there like that with me here. Now guys, this is why you don't leave catgut and stuff around. There's a fucking robin here. Excuse my French, but you can see the line right here. He's caught up in it, so I'm going to try to free him. I'm going to cut this line here and hopefully he gets away. We will see. Guys, this is why you don't leave catgut and stuff around when you're out fishing. As you can see, I got a robin here and he's all tangled up in the line. Hang on, buddy. I know it's going to be... Come here. Yeah, he's got it around his foot. Now, try that. Now, he had it on around his foot, but hopefully now he'll be able to pick that off. So anyways, if you're out fishing and you see